Okay, so we are going to teach you how to make your booklet. But first, go ahead and take out the paper that looks like this. What you're going to do is you're going to fold it, not all the way in half, but fold it so that none of the words from the other side go over. So you can see all right here, none of the words went over, and on the other side, none of the words came over. Okay. Then you're going to take it and fold it on that same line that you already made on the other side. Just reinforcing the crease. Okay, your next step is to fold the whole paper again in half the other direction. This time you're going to match it up perfectly. Go ahead and reinforce that crease by folding it the other direction. Okay, now you're going to take both sides, doesn't matter which side goes first, and you're going to bring it right to the center of the page, like this. You should now have 4 boxes on one side and 4 boxes on the other side. When you've finished folding both of them to the center, go ahead and flip it over and reinforce the creases again on the other side. This just means that you're turning it the other direction and folding down on the crease. Okay. When you're done, unfold it all again. And then you're going to take your paper and fold it in half like this. You're going to need to have Lexington and Concord in your left hand. So make sure that the one that says Lexington and Concord is in your left hand. Next, you're going to take your scissors and you're only going to cut to the crease right here. Make sure that you have the cut right on the crease, so that, for example, Battle of Yorktown is on one side of the cut and the American Revolution is on the other side of the cut. When you open it back up, you should have a hole in the middle, just like this. You can make yourself into a ninja. Okay, go ahead and make sure all your folds are really well creased. And then here comes the kind of difficult part. Just checking my folds again, 1 second. Okay, so here comes what can be kind of tricky. Hold it in your hands with the Treaty of Paris on the right side and the Battle of Saratoga on the other side. What you're going to do is start to push them together like this until all 4 kind of touch in the middle. Then you're going to fold the Treaty of Paris this way and start to create your book. The vocabulary side is going to be on one side, and the Lexington and Concord will be on the other. You may have to do a little pushing, but eventually you should have Lexington and Concord, Supporters of the War, Declaration of Independence, Battle of Saratoga, Winter at Valley Forge, Battle of Yorktown, Treaty of Paris, and again, the vocabulary on the back. This is how we make our beautiful foldable.